Alright, so next thing is to talk about the various types of relations. The first here is a one-to-one relation. In this, so let me label, so we have the domain or the dependent value, and then the independent value, the domain, the independent value, and then the codomain is the dependent value. Now, so we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9. So one-to-one relation, what do you think? Just as the name suggests, one value from the domain maps directly to one and only one value in the codomain. So let's see this. So in this case, 1 is going to map to 3, 2 is going to map to 6, and then 3 goes to 9. So this is a one-to-one relation. The next one is one-to-many relation. In this case, one value has the probability of one value in the domain has the probability of mapping to the domain has a probability of mapping to more than one in a codomain. Alright, so we have, so let's say 1 goes to 3 and this same 1 goes to 6. So one to many. Or let's say 2 goes to 6 and this same 2 goes to 9. So sometimes, so as you can see, if one functions exhibit that trait, the name goes for them. So one to many relation, 1 goes to 3, the same 1 goes to 6. So in this kind of relation, we call it a one to many relation. Next one, many to one. In this case, as the name suggests, we have many values in the domain mapping to one in the codomain. So let's try this. You could have many, so many. So many going to 1. So as you can see, A and B are all mapping to C. Then C is going to, let's say, just, I think this two, AB mapping to X, AB mapping to X actually captures the concept. So many in the domain mapping to just one in the codomain. So many, codomain and then codomain. Very simple. Or as you can see that the dependent and then the independent set. So now this third one is many to many relation. Many to many relation. Over here you see many in the domain mapping to many in the codomain as well. So as you can see, A is mapping to Y. Okay, let's use B. B is mapping to Y, mapping to Z at the same time. And this same B is mapping to Y. A is also mapping to Y. So many, so a lot of sketches where so many to many relations, many to one relations, one to many relations, one to one relations. So this actually sums up our introduction to the topic on relations, mapping, and functions. So see you in the next video. Bye.